Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Ayurveda to uncover Safed Musli, a remarkable herb. It's celebrated for boosting strength, enhancing stamina, and promoting wellness. We'll explore its health benefits through traditional wisdom and modern science. Learn how to use Safed Musli in forms like powders, capsules, and decoctions. Get ready to make this ancient secret a modern health ally. So grab your notebooks and herbal tea, and let's get started. So what exactly is this wonder herb, Safed Musli? It's a herbaceous plant found in the tropical regions of the Indian subcontinent. The real treasure lies beneath the soil, its fleshy, tuberous roots. These roots, when dried, are whitish, giving it the name Safed Musli. Revered in Ayurveda, it's a powerful adaptogen and tonic. Historically, it bolstered the entire system. Known as a Vajikaran Dravya, it's a potent aphrodisiac and vitality enhancer. Now let's talk about one of the most celebrated benefits of Safed Musli, its ability to boost male vitality. For generations, it has been a go-to herb in Ayurveda for enhancing vigor, stamina, and energy. Traditional texts describe its role in promoting ojas, the essence of vitality and immunity. Modern research supports these claims, showing promising adaptogenic and androgenic properties. Its effectiveness lies in its rich composition of saponins, alkaloids, vitamins, and minerals. These compounds support endocrine function, enhance performance, and combat fatigue. Safed Musli supports reproductive health for both men and women. For men, it enhances sexual function and supports healthy sperm count. For women, it promotes lactation and strengthens reproductive organs. It helps regulate menstrual cycles and alleviate hormonal imbalance symptoms. Safed Musli nourishes tissues vital for reproductive health in both genders. Our immune system is our body's first line of defense, and Safed Musli is highly regarded for its ability to support this crucial system. In Ayurveda, it's classified as a Rasayana herb, promoting rejuvenation and longevity. Safed Musli helps to modulate the immune system, bringing it into a state of balance. Its rich array of phytochemicals stimulates immune cells. By fortifying our natural defenses, Safed Musli promotes robust health. Inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can lead to health problems. Safed Musli has anti-inflammatory properties, helping to soothe and cool internal fires. Its active constituents inhibit pro-inflammatory mediators. While not a substitute for conventional treatment, Safed Musli can help manage mild arthritis discomfort. By regulating the inflammatory response, Safed Musli supports tissue health and wellness. Feeling tired or constantly battling fatigue? Safed Musli enhances energy levels and combats exhaustion. It helps the body adapt to stress and supports energy production. Safed Musli builds sustained energy and stamina. It replenishes vital energy reserves. Embrace a more energetic and vibrant life with Safed Musli. Safed Musli is a potent aphrodisiac, enhancing sexual desire and performance. It supports hormone levels, reduces stress, and nurtures healthy sexual function. For men, it improves virility. For women, it enhances desire and satisfaction. Safed Musli supports sexual health, an integral part of overall well-being. Interested in trying Safed Musli? Consume it in powder form. Recommended dosage is 3 to 6 grams daily. Consult a healthcare professional. Mix with warm milk, honey, or water. Take once or twice daily. The taste is mild and sweet, a pleasant addition to your routine. Safed Musli capsules offer convenience and a pre-measured dose. Look for reputable brands specifying the extract amount per capsule. Common dosage ranges from 250 to 500 milligrams, taken daily. Capsules provide a tasteless, odorless way to benefit from this herb. Another method is making a decoction from dried roots. Simmer the crushed root in water to extract its constituents. Consume the strained decoction warm, 30 to 50 milliliters, once or twice daily. Decoctions allow for potent extraction of water-soluble compounds. This method connects you with traditional herbal medicine. Discover the incredible world of Safed Musli. From ancient Ayurvedic roots to modern studies, Safed Musli is remarkable. Boost vitality, support immunity, and enhance energy with this herb, a holistic path to health. Like, share, and subscribe for more natural wellness tips. Thanks for watching, stay healthy, and see you next time.